welcome to IDALS. My name is Nivedita Sharma and I'm going to be teaching you an intermediate yet a little advanced choreography on Zara, which is a Bollywood song, and you can find the edited version of it on the YouTube channel of IDALS. This choreography is divided into 3 sections followed by my showcase. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, let's begin with the first section of this choreo. So I made this choreo with a jazz funk vibe. So it has more of a jazz funk vibe. So let's enjoy and let's go through it, and let's start with the first section. So the first section starts with you're facing back, and the first step is 1 and 2 and 3 and. So on 3 and you hit on your shoulders, you hit with your shoulders. So this is the only thing I wanted to convey. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Again 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. So let us understand step by step once again. Sit into the first step, go 1, step with your right leg, 2 and hit and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, once again 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and right leg, 2 and 3 and 4, right, left, 1 and 2 and. One last time, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. That's it. Shall we move forward? I think we should. So we ended here and then sit into the step. So on this step, after you take a wave, directly sit into it and in this posture, and then melt into it like 1 and 2 and. That's it. So we are here. We did a wave, last position, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and melt into it, 2 and then place your leg down. When you melt into it, so you don't lose your balance, so place your leg down and then just tap, tap. That's it. After this, am I going really fast? ठीक है, वापस करते हैं. तो wave, sit into it, melt, tap, tap, and then now we should go forward क्योंकि अभी बहुत हो गया है. ठीक है, तो tap tap. अब right leg step करेंगे with left hand. So you just pull and your leg goes 1, 2. So you pull and the legs goes 1, 2. So both the feet together, both the steps together. So you melt into it. You did tap tap. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and. Now same thing but double with the right leg. Go 1 and 2 and. That's it. So you're down. आपने किया tap tap and then start with your right leg. Go 1 and 2 and right leg. Okay. So one thing, when you do double, it's a little bit of cheating here. आपको थोड़ी सी cheating करना है 1, 2 and half. So ये 1.5 होगा, 2 नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो ये हुआ 1 आ. ओके, सो आपने किया, हम यहाँ पे थे लास्ट पोजीशन पे, टैप टैप तो मैं ये पहले, इससे पहले ये बता देती हूँ आपको कि आपने किया 1 एंड